Hey guys, today we're going to pick a challenge lock. This one comes from Bacardi Bill. It's the Bronx Lockpicker 60 New York Minute. So we're going to give that a try. Man, after picking that Bill Bacardi number 48, I'm scared of any challenge locks now. Hopefully the Bronx Lockpicker took it easy on me. Works pretty good. Might have a T-pin or some good stuff in there. Get the vise. Bear with me, I'm in a bit of a food coma. I just ate 2 giant burritos from the taco truck. Try to get this adjusted. Gotta get that other pan of ice, man. Alright, haven't looked at this one yet. There's the bidding. Pretty awesome bidding. I like to get it mummied. That way it's even more challenging. You don't know what it is. Grab my case here. I did throw a neodymium magnet here so I don't have to put my pick case on the ground. A lot of metal doors around here. You just stick it on there and don't got to get your picks dirty. So I did have a new addition, the Sandman there. Had to get a designer pick. Grab the 50 thousandths and try out this newer hybrid, Sparrow's hybrid. Give that a shot. Still like them HPC picks, but definitely going to try a Peterson here soon. Try to get that so we can see it. Here we go. Like I said, it was a 5-pinner. Little click. 5. Wind it on. Oh, there goes 4. 3, 2, got a tiny rotation there. Oops. Take it easy there, guy. Don't want another epic fail. Oh, just lost something. Got it back real quick. It's like 5. 5's got a little crunching. Try to get that guy set. Can never tell if they're bound or not set. Oh, a little more. Another click on 2. It's like 1. 1 might be counter or might be rotating the core there. Oh, nice. Yeah, I was dancing around on 1 and got it open. 4 minutes. Nice lock. Mr. Bronx Lockpicker 60. Let's see what we got inside. Try not to drop my camera. Sheboygan. Alright. See if I can do this without locking it up. If not, oh well. We got the key. Not even on camera. There we go. And I'm all breathing heavy. Comatose. I'll get it open. Get the cap off. That's a good start. That guy right there. Ooh, let's push the core out. Dun, dun. Here we go. Grab this awesome follower. Oh, pay attention, guy. Got to remember to shim these locks. Mr. Bacardi's a wonderful guy. He sent me some shims. In his last challenge lock, he said, be sure to use a shim on the key tag. And in my ADHD, I spaced it out, but we narrowly avoided a tragic situation. Okay. Da-da-da. That went smooth. Alright. They all had to be picked. Can already see some threading. Dun, one. Two. Like some spools. Three. Wow. Nice job on these pins, guy. I aspire to build some pins like these guys. And number 5. Come on. Come on out. Alright. Get our ducks in a row. Pull that shim out now. Oh, the plug. Looks like there's threading in every chamber. All the chambers are threaded in the plug. Check out this Bible. Last time I told myself to pay attention by going backwards, getting these pins out. But apparently I goofed up a little bit. Thank you, Bronx Lockpicker, for setting me straight. I'm sure Mr. Bacardi was cringing when I put the pins in the wrong order. Getting a couple of spools going. Oh, don't forget the springs. Dun, copper. Steel. Try to do this without launching them into space again. There we go. There we go. It's going pretty good. Another steel. Number 4. There's number 4. Looks like maybe it's a brass. And oh, I can do it. There's only one to remember now. I can go backwards. I can remember one at least. When I get 2, that's when I get confused. Alright. Another one. There we go. Awesome. Let's check out these pins. Let me double click there. Looks like, oh, don't shove the camera over, guy. Alright, here we go. Number 1 is looks spoolie reduced diameter. Heavy serration, there's spool. I call it spool. Number 2 is a spool. Number 3 is crazy. Got heavy serrations and kind of a bomb style at the bottom. Number 4 is a reduced diameter. Looks like a T-pin key pin. And 5 is looks like some kind of a camshaft. Reduced diameter at the top with the spool at the bottom. Up here we get a reduced spool. Another almost wedding cake style with a little bit of spool. Another spool, tapered spool, standard, and a T-pin. Yeah, you guys can see them a little better now. There you go. We already explained the top springs. Get the copper, steel, brass, and another copper. Right on. Thank you, Bill, for sending this lock. Thank you, Bronx Lockpicker, for making this awesome lock. Hope to see more of your stuff here soon. Alright guys, take enough of your time. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your encouragement and all the wonderful things you've done for me. And as always, be well and behave.